Hi! So ito yung solution na sinend ko sa ating Discord group chat. Pero may mga ipapaliwanag pa akong mga bagay, no? At saka idadagdag na solutions doon sa mga items. So baka kasi naisip nyo rin yun, na tama rin naman. Okay, so for number one, find parametric representation for the portion of the cone z equal to square root of x squared plus y squared, where z is between 1 to 3. So para lang makita natin ano yung surface, gawa lang tayo ng rough sketch. Kunyari, this is our XYZ axis. This is 1, this is 3, z equal to 1, z equal to 3. Parang ganyan siya, no? Yan yung surface na hinahanapan natin ng parametric representation. Okay, so ang ginawa ko na lang dito is I squared both sides. Tapos eto, mukhang familiar to. Parang pwede mo siya isipin na circle with radius z, where z is 1 to 3. That's why I fix z equal to z, retain ko siya as our parameter. And then x squared plus y squared can be parameterized as x equal to z cosine theta or y equal to z sine theta. Pwede rin magkabaliktad, pwedeng y ito, pwedeng x ito. So that is one possible answer. Tapos pala, kahit hindi mo nalagyan ng restriction sa theta kasi yung theta mo is 2 pi periodic. So, uulit lang ng uulit yung value ng cosine and sine theta. So, hindi naman nagmamatter yun. So, ito yung alternative parametrization. Although maraming pang ways ng pagpaparametrize niyan. So, ano yung ibang way ng pagpaparametrize? So, ang gagawin ko dito, let x equal to u, y equal to v. So, ang z mo magiging square root of u square plus v square. So, yung x, y, z natin, ang parametrization ng surface mo ay u, v, square root of u square plus v square. Tapos maglalagay ka ng restriction sa v, sa z. u square plus v square, 1 to 3. Ayan. Or pwedeng ito isulat mo rin ito as u square, u square plus v square, 1 to 9. Pwede rin ganyan. So, kumbaga parang yung UV domain mo, ito yung itsura. So, circle with radius 1, circle with radius 3. So, yan yung domain mo sa case na to. Okay. Dito sa una, ang domain mo, I need space. Kuwari, ito yung theta axis, ito yung z axis mo. Z mo between 1 to 3, pero yung theta mo can be anything. So, yan yung domain mo dun sa unang solution. Okay? For number 2, identify this parametric surface. So, para ma-identify niyo yung parametric surface na yan, kung hindi kayo ganun ka-veterana sa pag naka-UV, tas identify agad yung surface, pwede nyo convert to rectangular muna. So, ganun yung pinapagawa ko sa 23. Convert muna to rectangular kasi mga basic surfaces lang naman yung mga lumalabas dyan. So, lagi nyo mako-convert yan into something na we know from Math 22, like a plane, like a sphere, a cone, or a quadric. Okay, so hindi na tayo lalabas sa mga hindi quadric. Kasi medyo advanced na yun. So, ang gagawin ko, I will choose two equation and I will express u and v in terms of x and y. So, pag nagawa ko na yon, pag yung u and v in terms of x, y na, so substitute ko siya dun sa pangatlong equation para x, y, z na lang yung maiiwan. So, for example, in equation 1, so nilipat ko yung 2u, magiging v equal to x minus 2u. So, v is in terms of, ano na ba nangyari dito? V is equal to x minus 2u. Tapos sa equation 2, pinlog in ko yung v. Kaya siya naging Ganyan. Okay, tapos simplify ito. Ang makukuha nyo is u equal to y plus 2x over 5. Okay? Pwede nyo isipin dito na constant yung x and y. Parang nagsisystem of equation ka lang, but you are solving for u and v for these two equation. Yun basically yung ginawa natin. That's why si v in-express mo in terms of u, yung x mo constant lang siya, tapos pinlog in natin sa equation 2. Okay? So magiging y equal to u minus 2v, but v is this one. So ayan. So yung x and y mo constants lang yung isipin mo as constant. Para ka nagsisystem pero u and v ang sinusolve mo. So from here, combine like terms, 5u tas negative 2x lipat sa left. So, divide both sides by 5, u is equal to y plus 2x over 5. Tapos gamit naman ito, substitute mo si u. So, ito si u, yan na siya. Pag sinimplify nyo to, you get this one. And if you simplify this, you get this. So, napansin niyo yung u and v are in terms of x and y already. Tapos, pa-plug in nyo ito kay 3, yung u and v, para ang matitirang variables, x, y, and z. Ayan, pinasok natin ito, ito, dito. Okay? Ito, simplification na lang naman. That's why we get this. 6x kasi last sem nagkamali ata ako ng compute. So, binalta ko value. So, ito yung makukuha natin dyan. If you try to simplify. And this is an equation of a plane. Okay, so maraming ways ng pagsasolve nito. Depende kung paano yung gusto nyo. Pwede nyo piliin yung 2 and 3. Solve u and v in terms of yz. Tapos yung masasolve nyo doon na uv, papasok nyo sa 1. Pwede rin yun. Same plane lang din yung makukuha ninyo. So let's move on with number 3. Find an equation of the tangent plane and normal line to this surface R. Nakaparameterize siya na u and v at the point p negative 3, 1, and 4. So ang dapat nating tandaan, if you have a surface, let us draw our surface. Pero nakaparametric tayo. Kuwari, ito yung surface natin. Kuwari yan siya. So, let's say this is RUV. So, pag kinuha, paano ka kukuha ng normal vector at a point? So, you can pick. So, itong P, this is R of U not V not for some U not V not. Okay, or RUV or kung ano man yung notation natin. So, makakuha ka ng normal vector doon sa surface. Ang ibig sabihin ng normal sa surface ay normal nung tangent plane at a point. Okay, so, kuwari ang tangent plane mo itong view. So, that is RU cross RV at the corresponding U naught V naught. That is the U naught V naught that will give P when that U naught is substituted to R. Okay. So, ang kailangan natin to get the equation of the tangent plane is a point and the normal vector. So, makukuha nyo yun. And for the normal line, ito yung normal line. You also need a point and a normal, the direction vector of the line, which is the normal to the surface at the point. So, ang kailangan natin muna yung U naught, V naught. So, we compute for UV, which is your U naught, V naught, corresponding to 0, 1, negative 3. So, dapat ito, 0, this must be 0, 1, sorry. It's not 0, 1, it's negative 3, 1, 4. Mali ako nasulat doon. So, negative 3, 1, 4. So, this is negative 3. And this is 1. This is 4. Okay, negative 3, 1, 4. Negative 3, 1, 4. Okay, so di ba dami equation, pero dalawa lang yung variable. So, yung gagawin nyo, pipili lang kayo ng dalawa and then solve for U and V. Pag may na-compute na kayong U and V, that should satisfy yung equation that you did not choose. Otherwise, the given point is not on the surface. So, we use 2 and 3 in this case. So, we compute for U and V and check if it satisfies 1. The equation that you did not choose. For 3 and 2, ano ba ang ginawa natin dito? Okay, so sa equation 3, you can easily solve for V. Lipat si negative 2u sa kabila, you will get this. And then, ito yung sabi na equation 2. 3u plus 2v equal to 1. Itong v, we plug it here. Kaya makukuha ito. Distribute 4u, 8, get this. 3u plus 4u is 7, equal to 1 minus 8, which is negative 7. Divide both sides by 7, so u is negative 1. And if u is negative 1, try using this equation, you will get 2 times negative 1 plus 4, which is 2. So may nakuha na tayong uv. So you check if that satisfies the equation that you did not choose, which is equation 1. So at uv equal to negative 1, 2, is u square minus v square equal to negative 3? Let us check. So negative 1 square is 1, minus 2 square is 4. So 1 minus 4 is negative 3. So it satisfies equation 1. So this will serve as our u naught, v naught doon sa ating figure. Let us now compute for the normal vector. Anong kailangan for the normal vector? We need RU and RV. The derivative of R with respect to U, the partial derivative of R with respect to V. So kinopya ko lang yung R natin. Derivative with respect to U muna. 2U, 3, negative 2. That's why we get this one. R sub V, negative 2V, 2, with respect to V, 1. Tapos, ang ginagawa ko dito, hindi ko kino-cross multiply may mga variables pa. So, ang ginagawa ko ay substitute muna yung u not v not na kailangan natin. So, at u negative 1 and 2, uv negative 1, 2. So, u is negative 1, v is 2. We get this ru and rv. And then after that, doon pa lang ako nagko-cross multiply. So, paano mag-cross multiply? First component, takpan ito. 3 minus negative 4 is 7. We have that. Sa second one, may negative agad, diba? Negative ng something. Negative 2 minus 8. Tama ba? Tama, 8. Which is 10. That's why we have this. And then the last one, negative 4 minus negative... Is it negative 12? Yes. So that is 8. So we can take this one as your normal vector. Therefore, the equation of the tangent plane is x minus yung point mo. Ano ba yung point natin? Let us copy the point. Negative 314. This is our point. And this is the normal vector. Okay? So, x minus negative 3, y minus 1, z minus 4. Kaya meron tayo yung part na to. Itong binabox ko. Tapos sa tabi, yung components ng normal vector, which is 7, 10, 8. So, yan yung tangent plane. Yung normal line, madalas ako naka-parametric, no? Mas favorite ko ang parametric kaysa sa vector form. Okay, so x, y, z. So, yung point mo muna, negative 3, 1, 4, plus components of your vector, norm or direction vector, times your parameter t. So, pwedeng ito na yung sagot or if you want your line to be in vector format, vector form, r of t is equal to, sulat nyo lang ito as x component, y component, z component. And there, so sana naintindihan ninyo ang solution sa ating video and message me kung meron kayong questions.